When you plan on selling anything online, you have two options. Option 1, build slowly, figure out how to code, learn how to sell, and wait for some miracle. And before you know it, you have 5 jobs. Or option 2, ship fast, market loud, fail smarter than the next guy. This is Whop O'Clock, where we track the new digital gold rush on Whop. Let's start with what happened in just the last few days of June 2025. 16 creators crossed $100,000. One reseller hit the $1 million mark. These weren't all the same type of business either. We had 4 trading educators, 3 general creators, 2 business coaches, fitness experts, real estate professionals, social media strategists, and e-commerce entrepreneurs. The platform? Whop. The difference? They're not just hosting content. They're building economies across every industry imaginable. But here's what's really interesting. This surge didn't happen by accident, and your mission, should you accept, is to put in the work.
Now say the words, please.
I accept. But here's the thing about these creators. For 3 years, Whop's biggest feature request was the same. Let us sell physical products alongside our digital ones. Think about it. If you're a fitness coach, you want to sell workout plans and protein powder. If you're a trading educator, you want to offer courses and custom indicators. One brand, one audience, one checkout. This week, that finally happened. And here's how it works.
This is a merch app. People for years have been asking us if they could sell merch on Whop, and they can finally do it. So they come in here, they pick from different hoodies. Let's say I want the Luxe hoodie. I can customize my hoodie in here. So I want orange hoodie. I want to upload a picture of a unicorn. I'm going to make my unicorn bigger. I'm going to put it in the middle. Okay, cool. Now I have a unicorn. I can customize the back too. Super easy. I see the cost. Okay, amazing. I'm going to go to details. I can set the price. I want my users to, I want to break even. I don't want to make money on my users. So I'm going to set it, boom. Cool. Pick the color, visible to customers, create item. Okay, sick. Now I have a unicorn hoodie live that took me like 30 seconds to make. I'm going to go to view store. This is what my customers see. And my customers will come here. They wouldn't even have this top bar. It'd be super simple, just like this. I'm gonna get an XL, buy now, and I can check out.
Speaking of apps, every founder knows that a bad user experience can kill a good business. Whop learned this the hard way. This week's UI overhaul wasn't just about looking prettier, it was about removing friction from the money-making process. The navigation bar has been moved to the left. Adding apps to your Whop can now be done in a matter of minutes. Track where your members live using the map feature, play games and chat directly on the platform. And when you come across any bugs, you just need to call them out, and they'll at least try to get it fixed. But here's the real upgrade. Whop quietly became an app store. A real one, where developers can build tools, sell them directly, and keep most of the revenue.
Kinda sick. Someone built a full trading exchange. So think about it, right? I can now come on and I can launch a free community as a trading creator, and I can add a trading exchange. And the best part is I get a % of every single fee that's traded inside my community. And ladies and gentlemen, this has taken 2 days for someone to build because we built really cool app infrastructure, and everyone's like, oh, you're building dino games, all this stuff. Well, joke's on you. We're just testing our tech.
They even launched a free 50-minute course teaching developers how to build and monetize these apps. The first batch of developers already generating 5-figure monthly recurring revenue. This isn't just platform improvement, it's platform transformation. @Billionetti recently tweeted about moving his entire community from school to Whop. His reason? He plans to scale to 10,000 members. Look, this guy has generated over $15 million in pay per call, and he's not the only one making the transition. Take the reseller who hit 7 figures. They weren't just flipping products. They built a complete ecosystem around product sourcing, market analysis, and community-driven deal sharing. One platform, multiple revenue streams, massive scale. Or look at the 4 trading educators, who all crossed $100,000 in the same week. Each took a different approach. One focused on option strategies, another on Forex signals, a third on crypto analysis, and the fourth on market psychology. The fitness creator who joined them, they bundled workout plans, nutrition coaching, supplement recommendations, and accountability groups. Same principles, different industry. This is what happens when infrastructure finally catches up to ambition. When creators can focus on their expertise, instead of managing 5 different platforms, payment processors, and community tools. The question isn't whether this model works anymore. The question is, how long until everyone else catches up? But before we talk numbers, let's talk about the video that's keeping people glued to their screens this week. After just 16 uploads, Whop's YouTube channel has passed 115,000 subscribers and 4.7 million views. But this week's drop felt different. For the first time, Whop featured a formal day-in-the-life video with a female creator, Shelby Sapp. She's got 833,000 followers on Instagram, another 508,000 followers on TikTok, and also the founder She Sells Academy, where she teaches women how to sell. But the reason this video hit wasn't the follower count, it was the rawness. She broke down the business, the branding, and yes, the burnout. Then she took it to the streets, showing actual door-to-door sales techniques that most gurus only talk about in theory. Because here's the truth. Being a creator isn't just about printing money, it's about keeping your sanity while you scale. And sometimes the most powerful content comes from admitting that balance is still a work in progress.
My day-to-day life is I wake up, I work out, I get on calls, I work out, I go on a walk, I get on calls, and that's it.
I mean, that's why you make the money you do, honestly.
Yeah.
Like, you're putting in the hours.
Oh,
This is sick, actually.
I don't do OnlyFans. I don't do OnlyFans.
No OnlyFans here. Okay. Yeah.
Now about those numbers that prove this whole ecosystem is working.
In 2021, Whop had 1,000 users and big dreams.
Today, over 11 million users and $1 billion in processed revenue.
$1 billion. That shut everybody up.
It's $1 billion fucking dollars.
Shopify took 7 years to hit that milestone. Whop did it in 3. But here's what makes this different. Shopify built e-commerce infrastructure for businesses. Whop built creator infrastructure for individuals. The difference? Creators don't need permission to start. They don't need venture capital to scale. They just need the right tools and the right platform. And when 11 million people are already watching and buying, the network effects become unstoppable. So here's your choice. You can either keep waiting for the perfect moment, the perfect idea, or the perfect platform to give you permission to start. Or you can recognize that the infrastructure revolution is happening right now. The creators making 4, 6, and 7-figure incomes aren't smarter than you. In fact, it's quite the opposite. They take massive action and seize opportunities when they arise. Because on Whop, creators aren't just chasing trends, they're building the future of commerce. And the future doesn't wait for anyone.